What mileage is too high for a service vehicle? Generally, once a service vehicle passes 150,000 miles, it starts costing more in repairs than it is actually worth, though the real answer depends heavily on how well it was maintained over the years. Think of a vehicle like a pair of shoes you wear every single day for work. The more miles you put on it, the more the parts inside start to wear down, kind of like how the soles of your shoes get thinner the more you walk. Most service vehicles, like vans and trucks, are built to last somewhere between 150,000 and 200,000 miles before major parts like the transmission or engine start failing more often. Here's something a lot of people do not know though. The number on the odometer is not the only thing that matters. A vehicle that got its oil changed every 3,000 miles and was serviced regularly can easily outlast a vehicle with fewer miles that was neglected. Mechanics actually look at something called engine hours too, especially for vehicles that idle a lot, because idling puts wear on the engine without adding much mileage. So if you are buying or evaluating a service vehicle, always ask for the maintenance records, not just the mileage number. One big mistake people make is assuming low mileage always means a good vehicle, when a low mileage vehicle that sat unused for years can have rotted hoses, dried out seals, and other hidden problems. Always get a mechanic to physically inspect any vehicle before buying, no matter what the odometer says. Another common misconception is thinking highway miles and city miles wear a vehicle equally, but stop-and-go city driving is much harder on brakes, transmissions, and engines than steady highway driving. If you are choosing between two vehicles with similar mileage, ask where those miles came from. Generate an image of a vibrant flat 2D illustration showing a cute webcomic-style human avatar with an oversized round brown comb overhead, light cream skin, tiny dotted eyes, and a simple line mouth, dressed in a plumber uniform with a wrench in one hand, standing dramatically with a shocked and worried expression as they try to sign a giant contract paper that is literally chasing after a second small cartoon plumber character who is running away from it with sweat drops and a scared face. The background explodes with bold saturated colors like deep blue and bright orange, filled with oversized cartoon icons of a padlock with a worried face wrapped around a briefcase, a giant red pen with an angry expression scribbling on the contract, and a golden gavel bouncing with a surprised expression as if enforcing the rules. Scattered across the scene are simple flat pipe wrenches, dripping faucets with tiny nervous faces, and small dollar signs with wide eyes representing the business stakes involved. The entire thumbnail should feel energetic and slightly chaotic, with thick, clean black outlines around every character and object, and bold contrasting colors filling every corner of the frame with no empty space. Do not generate any text, letters, numbers, or words anywhere in the image.